Welcome to the Kentucky Public Pensions Authority presentation on how to update your employer self-service credentials, presented by the Employer Reporting, Compliance, and Education Division. The credentials you use to log into Employer Self-Service, or ESS, should be unique and confidential. You should not use a password or PIN code that has been used on any other account you may have. If you are concerned that your credentials have been compromised and are no longer confidential, you may log into the ESS website and update those credentials yourself, without assistance from your employer administrator or KPPA. To change your login password, your security question, and your PIN code, first log into ESS, then click on the Account tab in the navigation menu. There are 3 modules on this tab designed to assist you in updating your credentials for employer self-service. To update your password, click the Change Password module and it will navigate you to this website. To begin the update process, first enter the password you currently use for login. Then create a new password and enter that once to establish it and a second time for verification. Remember, your password must meet certain criteria for security standards. Following the second entry of the new password, you must enter your 4-digit ESS PIN code. Once this is complete, click the Update button. This will direct you to a screen confirming the success of your password update. If the password does not meet the criteria required, or the creation and verification entries do not match, you will receive an error message to input the new password again. To update your security question, click the Change Security Question module to navigate to this web page. Automatically displayed will be the security question you selected upon initial ESS account setup. You have the option to change your answer to this question or select a new question. In this example, we have selected a new question. Create the answer to your question and then enter it a second time for verification. Enter your 4-digit ESS PIN code as authorization, then click the Update button. This will direct you to a screen confirming the success of your security question update. If the updated answer and verification entries do not match, you will receive an error message to input the information again. To update your PIN code, click the Change PIN module and it will navigate to this web page. To begin the update process, first enter the current PIN code, then you will create a new PIN code and enter that once to establish it and again for verification. The new PIN code should be a unique 4-digit numerical code. Once it has been created and verified, click the Update button. You will be directed to a screen confirming the success of your PIN code update. If the code you entered and verification entries do not match, you will receive an error message to input the new PIN code again. Thank you for viewing the How to Update Your Employer Self-Service Credentials training video. If you have any questions, please contact your ERCE representative Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.